and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. The last unboxing for Stitch Fix that I did was beginning of December. It is now the end of January, so it's been a hot minute since I have unboxed one of these on my channel. I'm really excited. So I will give a brief outline of what Stitch Fix is and how it works, but for those of you who are already familiar with Stitch Fix, I will have a timestamp on the screen that you can go to just see the unboxing and see what I got in my box. For those of you who are still here, Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service. So how it works is you sign up on their website. When you sign up, you fill out a style profile that is very in-depth. You let them know your sizes, your preferences, clothing items that you never want to receive, clothing items that you frequently want to receive, patterns that you don't like, all kinds of stuff. It's very, very in-depth. So you fill out your style profile, then you select what day you want to receive your first fix. A stylist who works for Stitch Fix puts together, curates a 5-piece box like the one that we have right here to send straight to your door. At the time of your styling, you are charged a $20 styling fee. However, you do not lose that styling fee, and I'll talk about that in a moment. So you're charged the $20 styling fee. A stylist puts together a box of things that they think that you will like based on your style profile, send it straight to your door, and then you open the box up and try all of the pieces on and decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. Anything that you choose to keep, you do get charged for at that time, and that $20 styling fee gets applied to anything that you choose to keep. Now, I do have a referral link. Everybody who has a Stitch Fix account has a referral link, and if you click on my link, which will be down in the description box below, you get $25 off of your first box, and then I also get $25. So thank you in advance. If you use my referral link, that $25 does go towards your styling fee and therefore towards anything that you choose to keep from your box. So you're basically getting like a $25 gift card to Stitch Fix. So if you find something out of your first box that's maybe worth $25 or $30, then you're either getting it for free or getting it only for $5. But you don't have to use my referral link. You can use somebody else's, or if you just don't want to use one, you don't have to use one. Also, if you choose to keep everything from your Stitch Fix box, you do get a 25% discount on all of the items, which is pretty great. Another thing to note is, although there is a pricing tier that you can choose when you sign up, most of the items are more boutique style prices because these are more boutique style brands. They're not brands that you typically would find at Walmart or Target or any of that. These are boutique style brands and some brands that you only can find online. I think I have talked about everything. If I have missed anything, I'll mention it later in the video or have it down in the description box. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open up my January box. All right, so first and foremost, we do have a style guide and a pricing guide in here. I'll wait to look at these until after we've looked at all of the items. Oh, and also something I did forget to mention at the beginning is shipping is free both ways, and they provide you with a prepaid mailer for anything that you choose not to keep and you want to send back. Super, super easy. All right, all of my items are in this pouch right here. Sneak peek. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, the first thing off the top. Oh, okay. So this is just a tank. This is actually perfect for work. I do work in an office, and so I need some business casual things. I love stuff like this because I can layer either a cardigan or a blazer or something like that on top of it. This is a really nice color. I do like this a lot, and I like the pattern on it too, if you can see that. It's a nice simple floral pattern. So this is the West Key Caspian twist front blouse in the size medium. I think I actually have kept something from West Key before. That might not be how you say that, I don't know, but I think I've kept something from that brand before from Stitch Fix, and I do like it. This is a nice lightweight material, so that's pretty great. All right, first one, off to a good start, but I just saw the next thing and I have a feeling that I'm really gonna love whatever this is. Okay. Oh my God, it's so soft. So this is the next item. God, I feel like this is gonna be really expensive. This is the next thing. It's kind of, it looks like a leather jacket would look, but it's more of a really soft cloth material. It's this nice taupe color. As you can see, we do have some zip up pockets. Oh my God, this is so pretty. What is this? This is the Market and Spruce. I have gotten Market and Spruce in my boxes before. Kendari faux suede jacket in the shade taupe, size medium. This, oh my God, this looks, if this fits well, This looks like something that I would love, that I would always want to wear and reach for. I have a few pieces of clothing like that in my collection that I'm just so excited to wear every time I pull for them. Oh man, oh man. Ooh, the next item, it looks like a sweater. Ooh, it's a cropped sweater. I like this lavender color. It's a long sleeve, very, very soft. This is the Cotton Emporium Fionn cropped chenille pullover. God, I probably butchered all of those words. Light purple, size medium. Oh, I do really like this. I have been on the hunt for more sweaters because I really don't have that many. I don't do a lot of shopping outside of Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is essentially my shopping time. It's great. Okay, the first 3 items, big fan. Ooh, ooh, oh my gosh. So this is the next item. This is, oh, this is so pretty. So this is a long sleeve button up blouse, I guess you would say. I really like this. I really do like this. Okay, so this is by Fortune and Ivy, which is another brand that I recognize. This is the Christelle button down blouse, white, size medium. Really excited to try this on. This is another thing that I could wear to work. It does look like it has a taper to the bottom, but I could tuck it into work pants. This is really cute. Okay, and then finally we have a pair of pants. These are super soft. Okay, these are the Vigos Erica skinny jean in size 6. These look really, really comfy. I don't know if I really need a pair of pants right now though, unless these fit incredibly and I really, really love them. I don't know that, oh, they do have nice pockets though. So we'll have to see. We'll see how well they fit and how in love I am with everything else. So we got all of my items. Let's first check out the style guide. So what the style guide is it is a card that has all of the items that my stylist sent me and how to pair them with different things. And it also has a note from my stylist. Okay, I'll read the note real fast. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so Lindsay is my stylist and she went a little experimental with my last box. And although I really enjoyed trying on the different styles, it wasn't quite my style. So she definitely hit the nail on the head this time around. And I'm really excited about all of the things that she sent me. Right off the bat, everything looks like something I could love, but we need to take into account the pricing guide and see how everything prices and how everything fits on my body. But Lindsay is my stylist in case you're curious and might want to request her. I find that she is incredible and does such a good job. Okay, style guide is finished. Let's look at the prices. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay, so the total price of my box is less than most of the boxes that I've received about, especially if I decide to keep everything, the total price is pretty good. Okay, so let's start with the West Key Caspian twist front blouse, which was the first thing that we pulled, which means it's on the bottom of my pile. This right here, this does retail for $38, which is a little bit up there for a blouse like this. I think that I could get a lot of wear from it. This is something that if it paired well, like I could put a black sweater or a black blazer on top of this and I could wear it to work like almost every week or every other week. So this is something I could get a lot of wear out of. Next is the Cotton Emporium Fionn cropped chenille, the sweater. This is $44. I think $44 for a sweater is a pretty standard price. I feel like that's the same price that you would find in like American Eagle or something like that, so that's not too bad. Super soft. Okay. Next is the second most expensive item, which are the jeans, and these retail for $58. Again, a pretty standard price for a pair of jeans. If they fit like magic, then I might consider keeping them, but again, not sure if I really need another pair of jeans. And next we have the Fortune and Ivy Christelle button down, oh, the blouse. This bad boy right here. So this is the second cheapest item in the box, and this retails for $42. I feel like that's not too bad for a blouse of this nature. So it's got the button down, long sleeve, cuffs at the end. And again, another thing that I could wear to work often. This would actually be a really good springtime piece. And then finally, the item I'm most excited about, this bad boy right here. the Market and Spruce Kendari Faux Suede Jacket. The most expensive item in the box, I'm so sad, is $88. Now, I'm not surprised at all that this is $88. This is something that I would see in a boutique and fall in love with, and then would probably talk myself out of purchasing. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. I have purchased a couple of really, really nice jackets like this, and they have become just absolute loves in my collection. I mean, who knows? I don't know how this looks on my body yet. It might not look quite right, in which case I'll have no problem sending it back. But if this fits like a glove, I could see myself potentially keeping it. Okay, so I'm excited to try everything on. I do have a pair of black work pants on right now, so maybe I'll try some of the work tops on first, and then we'll move on to the more casual wear items. All right, so I tried on first the blouse. Who was this by? Fortune and Ivy, that's who this is by. It is definitely a bit see-through. I think that you can see that in the mirror right here. I could wear a tank top underneath it, which I probably would do. It does fit pretty well. I like the striped pattern on it. I do think that it's really cute. We do have occasionally a little bit of the opening thing that happens between the buttons in the breastist area, so that is a little bit of a concern. I definitely don't hate this. If I end up really, really liking everything else, I could see myself keeping this. If I'm gonna send some stuff back, I could see myself potentially sending this back. I could tuck it in completely, or just, you know, do like the half tuck like this, which looks pretty cute. I like that it dips down a fair amount right here. It has a nice V. It's not too high or anything like that. So I do like this. I don't know if you really need a closer up view, but yeah, the fit's pretty good on this. First item is definitely not a fail by any means. It's not a love, 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 but I do really like it. I think that it's cute, and it again fits really well. So there's my thoughts on the first item. All right, so we have the second item, the tank. This is also another thing that I like. This one is a bit big when I turn to the side. There's just a lot of flowiness, a little too much flowiness, if you know what I mean. The front looks actually really cute. So let me actually throw on a sweater thing, cardigan sort of, but not a work sweater that's black, and just kind of see how that looks with it. All right, so I put this on over the tank. It does look a little funny because of the knot. I think I like this a little less than I liked the blouse from before that I just had on. I like it, and I really, really liked it when I pulled it out of the box. It's my style, it's just maybe not my total fit. You know what I'm saying? So this, I think this is gonna go back. All right, let's move on to the more casual wear items, which I'm very excited about. Okay, we have two pieces on now. We have the sweater and we have the pants. Oh my gosh, the pants fit. They fit really well, okay? They're super comfy. They're a wash like I don't have. A lot of my pants are very, very dark because I do really like dark pants, but sometimes it's nice to have ones that are a lighter wash. The top is super comfy. I think that it fits really well. It's baggy enough, but it's not too baggy. I like where it ends and it cuts. It's like a crop, but not too much of a crop. And I like the light pastel colors. Also, the sleeves go down a really, really nice length, not too much, but at a kind of a perfect length. Ugh, and it's super soft. Okay, I really, really like this top, and I do really, really like the pants. I think that I might go look through my pant drawer because it's been a while since I've taken inventory of that drawer and really tried everything on and decided kind of, you know, done a little declutter of my pants. So I think that it's due time. If I end up getting rid of a handful of those that just don't fit anymore or that I don't like the style of, I might end up keeping these. I may hold on and extend my checkout date of this box a little bit longer just so I can do all of that. So I don't think I'll be able to put a thing on the screen when I make a final decision, but if I remember, I'll try and put it in the description box eventually when I make a decision, in case you're curious what I end up keeping for sure and what I end up sending back. I think I'll have some decent answers by the end of this video, but as a heads up, I might not have official answers. We'll see though. Okay, so really like this, really like these. The last thing that we have is the jacket, the $88 beautiful piece of jacket. I do need to change into a probably short sleeve top to put that over because I don't think it'll fit quite well over this material because it's a little chunkier. So let me go put on a different shirt and then I'll come back with the jacket on and we'll decide if it's worth $88 or not. All right, so off the bat, I still really like this. However, there's a major problem. Okay, so you see the sleeve on this side looks pretty normal. It's because it is. Do you see that? It's all twisted. There's something going on. Both Alex and I tried to fix it inside, that it's super tight and it was hard to get my arm through. It was like it pinched in the middle. I don't know if there's something in the sewing that went wrong on this piece, but it's all kinds of messed up in the sleeve. And I'm not about to pay $88 for something that's all messed up. Super unfortunate. I really like the color. It's super soft, very, very flexible and comfortable. I like that it has the pockets here, but it's $88 and it's messed up in the sleeve. And I just, and you know, I might have tried to like see if they could send me another one, but I just don't know if I really like it, but I don't know if I love it enough to spend $88 on it. And plus I showed Alex and he just thought it was okay. He wasn't in love with it, which kind of reinforced my thinking that it was like, I really, really like it, but I don't love it, which means this is definitely gonna go back, especially with this issue going on. I don't even think I can show you any other way, but just you gotta take my word for it. The contenders that I'm considering keeping, the pants and the sweater that I just had on. So these pants and the sweater that I just had on. I don't think I want to keep, well, I'm still sort of debating the striped one. So let me go ahead and sit back down in my chair and let's do some wrap-up thoughts. All right, and we're back. So final thoughts. So this, I think I'm gonna keep. This is the sweater. This is the Cotton Emporium Fionn cropped Chanel sweater in light purple. The tank is going back. It's just not something that fit quite right, although it was my style. Really, everything in this box was my style. They just weren't quite my fit. So this is gonna go back. I think that I'm gonna go ahead and send back this also. I did like it, but it was a little bit too big in the waist area. It fit pretty good up top. It was, I just didn't love it. And if I was gonna keep everything, I would like to keep this. I just didn't love it. And I wanna love the things that I keep from Stitch Fix. So this is gonna go back. I'm still deciding on the pants, but I mentioned that earlier in the video that I'm gonna declutter my pant drawer and decide if I have a need for them. And then the last thing that is going back, which is sad, is the sweater. I do like this. Okay, I would say I really like this, but I don't love it. Alex didn't love it, and there's something wrong with the sleeve on it, and it's the most expensive thing in the box. So this was definitely, I would say, a hit because it's exactly something that I'm looking for that could become a treasure in my collection. This wasn't quite there, not for $88 at least. So this is also going back, but that's okay. My goal with Stitch Fix is not to purchase everything that they send me because that is a lot of money. My goal is to find maybe one or two, maybe more than that, items out of each box. But having one, maybe two is pretty good, I think. And I'm really excited to have a new sweater that I'm probably actually going to wear tomorrow, and possibly a new pair of pants. These are really, really comfortable. I have a lot of pants that really, I think, need to go. So we'll see if I end up keeping these. If you want to know, look in the description if I have made my decision by the time this video goes up, which maybe not, we'll have to see. I think this is gonna go up before I've had a chance to make my decision. If you would like to sign up for Stitch Fix and get $25 off of your first box, I will leave my referral link down in the description box for your use. You get 25, I get 25. It's pretty great and helps support my channel. It's not an affiliate link. I don't think that's what that is. No, it's a referral link, not sponsored at all, but that would be really cool if they wanted to do that at some point. All right, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe for more unboxings from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh my god, was I out of focus that entire time? That's just the way it works on this channel.